In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link UnionPay to PayPal. By the end, you'll have your UnionPay card added to your PayPal wallet, so you can use it for payments where it's supported. Have your card handy, make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file, and use a stable internet connection. Availability can vary by region and account type, so if you don't see the exact options I mentioned, follow the highlighted prompts you see on your screen. Start by logging into your PayPal account on the web. On the left side of the dashboard, open the Pay and Get Paid section, then select Banks and Cards. This takes you to your wallet area where any cards or bank accounts you've already connected will appear. If you're using a different layout, look for Wallet or a similarly labeled area. Again, the interface often highlights the right place to click, so follow that visual cue. Next, choose Link a Card. You'll land on a simple form. Enter your UnionPay card number exactly as it appears. In the card type field, PayPal may detect UnionPay automatically. If it doesn't, open the dropdown and choose UnionPay yourself. Add the card's expiration date and the 3-digit or 4-digit security code from your card. For billing address, pick an existing address from your account or add a new one. It's important that this address matches your bank statement details, including punctuation and abbreviations, to avoid verification issues. Double-check the name on your PayPal account also matches your card holder name. When everything looks correct, click Link Card. In some cases, PayPal will ask you to verify the card. This might involve receiving a one-time passcode by SMS from your card issuer. Enter that code in the field provided and submit. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and use the resend option, ensuring your phone has signal and that your bank has your current number on file. After successful verification, your UnionPay card will appear in your Banks and Cards list. You might see a small temporary authorization on your card statement. That's a standard verification hold and usually disappears automatically. If linking fails, confirm your card supports online and international transactions. Ensure your name and billing address exactly match your bank records and try again. If you still can't link it, contact your card issuer to confirm UnionPay e-commerce capability, then reach out to PayPal support. That's it. Your UnionPay card is now connected and ready to use wherever PayPal accepts it.